So then the innovation side of the industry.
Sure.
We see, I know online, we could even be considered at markets something as an innovator, but I wouldn't go that far. We're just an educator. What are you seeing in there that's impacting on your business? Are there innovations that are making a difference for landlords? Are they making a difference for yourselves as operators?
Sure. I think real estate as a whole is actually quite slow on the uptake in terms of innovation. Most of the people operating at a good level are quite entrenched in the way that they do business. So we're seeing a lot of the younger guys, the younger agents come through with all the good ideas. Most of the innovation is digital, as with most of the businesses. I would say you guys are innovators in terms of how you're educating your market. So that's really the biggest transition. We're seeing some of the agents change how they market themselves to the public. Rather than being the protectors of information, they're becoming the people who give the information out. The people who educate their market the best become the trusted face, and the trusted face are the people getting the business.
Okay.
So it's about transparency. It changes, or I think it's changing how people perceive our role in the market.
That's a very good point. I think that is now across all industries.
Yep.
And people aren't being able to escape that. So keeping those secrets are not necessarily the game anymore.
I would agree.
If you have any questions, please make sure you comment on the video below. In the group, there will be a whole lot of conversation about this, hopefully. And please look up Tiger if you have any needs for things that are specific to what he's discussed. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to talk to you soon. And Tiger, we will hopefully talk to you very soon.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Mate.